Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I'm making egg curry. I promise you, this curry is going to be exceptional. Enough with the egg jokes. Let's go make this egg curry. First and foremost, let's get the eggs boiled.
Let the eggs cook for about 15 minutes till they are hard boiled.
Now this recipe calls for boiled onion paste. Let's see how to make that next.
Boil some water in a pan and to it add 2 big onions that are roughly chopped. Boil the onions till they change color and become completely soft. Then strain them, and when they become completely cool, grind them into a smooth paste.
Now that our eggs are boiled and our onion paste is ready, let's make the curry.
Let's start by heating about 3 tablespoons of oil.
Now I'm going to add some whole spices into the hot oil.
We'll add 1 black cardamom, an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf and 4 to 5 black peppercorns. We'll give this a quick stir and add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 pinches of hing or Asafoetida. We'll saute this for a few seconds and then add the boiled onion paste. Saute the paste for about a minute and then add a tablespoon of freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. Cook this till the ginger garlic loses its raw smell and becomes fragrant.
Now I'm going to add the powdered masalas.
We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Roast the masalas nicely with the onion paste on low heat. We'll roast the masalas and the onion paste till everything starts to thicken up and then add 1 cup of tomato puree. Thoroughly mix in the tomato puree and then add salt to taste. Mix in the salt and then add half a teaspoon of sugar. Adding a little bit of sugar helps to balance the spice and the flavors of the dish. Bring this beautiful gravy to a simmer and then add about 3/4 to 1 cup of water depending on the consistency you prefer. Mix in the water and then cover and simmer this gravy for about 5 minutes on low heat. Perfect. Now we'll finish this gravy by adding a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves.
Now that our gravy is done, let's get the boiled eggs ready.
Add a tablespoon of oil into the pan and swirl it around. When hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Then add the boiled eggs. Fry the eggs till they develop a light coating. Then sprinkle some salt. Scrape the masala from the pan and then drop the eggs along with this oil and the masala into the curry. Our beautiful egg curry is now ready. Don't forget to garnish with some fresh coriander leaves before serving.
See how beautiful this looks. Let's taste. Now that was excellent. You have to give this recipe a crack. Do leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams.